All right, on tonight's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our generative AI course and we're still building our text to SQL model. Let's have a look at what we went over tonight. Now, basically, what we did, we implemented more code. We took more notes on how we actually implemented that code. So let's take it from the top. Yesterday, the last thing we created was our table info. And tonight, we're going to pick up from there. So the next thing we want to do is create this table. This is the code we will use to do that. You can see cursor.execute table info. So as soon as this code gets executed, our table will be created with the name student. We'll be creating this table here, as you can see with the name student. Next, we'll go ahead and insert some records, insert more records. This is the code we will use to do that. You can see the cursor.execute, insert into student values. Then we're going to insert all of our records. You can see these are the records here we're going to use. We can see our first record here is going to be Brian, generative AI, and then models. This corresponds to the fields we have here: name, class, and section. So you can see here the name corresponds with the name, class corresponds with the class, section of the class we're in is going to correspond with the section right here. And you can see here we have 5 inserts here, or 5 records for 5 different students. You can see these are all their names. We have Aaliyah, Delia, Bam Bam, and Amelia. These are all of their classes, and this is all of the fields or all of the sections of the classes that they're taking at the moment. So basically what we're doing here is inserting these values into our respective locations in our created table named student. We have inserted values into the name field, the class field, and the section field. Also notice we have inserted a total of 5 records, as I showed you already. Move down some. Also notice that we inserted a total of 5 records. Each record has different values of information. Now that we have all of our records, we will display them. This is the code we will use to do that. So you can see here, print the inserted records are. Then we're going to do data equals cursor.execute. Select all from student. Remember, that's what the star means. The star means all. So select all from student. We want to select all of the information from our table named student. Once we execute this, we will store all of the information in our data variable. Then we will write a for loop. So you can see here, for row in data, print row. What we are saying here is that we want to print every row of data we have. So for every row of data we have, we want to print that row. And basically what we did for the night, like I said, we're just taking it piece by piece and going slowly but surely. So yeah, we're going to do that. And let's go to our SQL or SQLite file here. You can see we added all of those, not records, we added all of that code to this file here that we have over in our walkthrough. You can see here we have it translated over here to our actual file that we're going to be running. So everything is up to par. So basically that's what we did for the night. And like I said, we will be moving forward step by step, piece by piece, and I will keep you posted every step of the way. But for now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.